Packing includes 4x V-band clamp, 8x V-band flanges, male, female, as the picture shown. Both of the flange has a machined ridge for the exhaust pipe to fit into for perfect and precise welding. This V-band clamp makes it easy to install and remove intercooler systems and turbo parts, such as charge piping, intake pipes, etc. Great for racers and tuners, these clamps make it easy to remove parts to gain access to vital components easily. Made of top-quality stainless steel, high strength and toughness. No instruction included, professional installation is highly recommended. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Very clean welds. Made exhaust with it and the material welded great to the stainless steel I had.